at welcome to Besta Mobile eFood Cart. So for this video, check natin yung mga gawa natin na bound to Sultan Kudarat, Borotac Viejo, Iloilo. We also have from bound to Cavite. Check muna natin yung pastry coffee shop natin. So this one comes with a glass panel na electric cart. It comes with a very bright and very nice lighter pink color. So it comes with a glass shelves. Yung itong glass shelves ito yung sa likod. I believe sa likod to. Ano sa harap? Yeah, it's sa harap. Ito yung walang open. So this one is closed and sealed. Dito yung ilalagay. As you can see, we created the bracket here. This bracket is not only for the stand, pero ito rin yung mga magiging lagayan ng extra batteries natin to lighten up the signages and the light for the glass panel. So we also have custom table here para at least yung yung table lalagyan natin ng sink, yung countertop, meron siyang countertop dito na stainless, so it will be very nice para sa bakery natin. So what we also have here is yung project ng DSWD na bound for Borotac Viejo. This is a nice project kasi it's coming from the government to help yung mga siguro mga vendors natin dun sa Borotac Viejo. Tara, punta tayo dun sa warehouse. Check natin yung lights natin sa Hari ng Pulutan. What we did on the Hari ng Pulutan, naglagay tayo ng 4 na linya ng signages. So dito, pasuyo ako pa on nga, pasok. What we have here is that Hari ng Pulutan bound to Cavite. Paon na ako the lights. It comes with the different signages. Comes with the front here. Itong malaki na signages. Meron akong sa likod. Ito, sa taas, we also have signages there. Papatayin nga natin. I-close ko lang yung warehouse just for you guys to check yung quality ng signages. So yun, as you can see, malayo ka pa lang, kitang-kita na. We're also having a food trailers coming inside this for our Vesla motor. We also have mount for cars and motorcycles na parating. So just visit Vesla Mobile eFood Carts for your food cart needs, kiosks, and trailers. So thank you and bye-bye.